royal fathers of the day, the grand royal father in Asefian, the paramount ruler, Yewa Traditional Council, Oba Dr. Kehinde Gbadewale Olugbinle, the royal fathers of the day, Oba Dr. Josiah Olanrewaju Ayina, the Oloto of Ota Awori Kingdom, Oba Dr. Adeshina Sulaiman Raji, the Oniba Ekun of Iba Kingdom, all the royal fathers present here today, the traditional rulers, the baales, the chiefs, all the religious leaders, the county chairman, leagues of imam, all the security personnel here present, all the community leaders, the market women, the youth, and all the people of Odan, all the invited guests, both far and near, and all the people of the land of Odan. I welcome you all to this first coronation anniversary of our dear land. As the king in the community here, I say thank you very much for coming, and I bless you all. First and foremost, I give thanks to God Almighty, the beginning and the end, the first and the last, the all eternity, the God of all gods, the God of all kings, the Oba Gbogbo Afonba. All glory be to your holy name. God bless you all for coming here today. Before I go any further, I want to thank the three most important women in my life. My great mom, my ever supportive wife, my beautiful wife, my ever supportive sister, Olubukola Okewale. This appreciation will be incomplete without recognizing the Olobese families who stood by me during the selection, after the selection, and every other process before we ascend the throne. Thank you very much. I say God bless you all for your ever supporting and undying love. Thank you. And I want to thank the anniversary committee who worked effortlessly, both when it is convenient and when it is not, to pull this together. Everything for the success of today. It gives me great joy to address you all today. Our honored guest, the loyal inhabitant of Odan Yewa. Today marks a momentous and commendable turning point in the annals of this city fast. In my opinion, today's celebration cannot be forgotten whenever the history of Odan is to be fully told. The sons and daughters of Odan are rolling drums to express their ecstasy as we celebrate God's favor, the release from late darkness to illumination, and the appreciation for the good deeds of our forefathers. I want to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency Prince Dr. Abiodun Emefao, the Executive Governor of our dear state, Ogun State, for his outstanding effort and the warm love His Excellency has shown to the people of this Odan community by approving and installing their king. If the past of Odan is any indication, you will never be forgotten or abandoned. All praise is due to God through your Excellency. Sir, for a good, well-done job. I attest that it was an outstanding accomplishment that reflects well on you and your government as a whole. I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Wahab Abiodun Egungun, the member representing K2 Constituency 2 in Ogun State House of Assembly, for his unwavering support and encouragement during the campaign that leads to my installation as Oloja of Odan. Quite simply, I applaud your excellent work. Thank you very much. It will also be impolite of me not to acknowledge the effort of His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Kehinde Gbadewale Olugbinle MFR, Olu of Ilaru Yewa, and the paramount ruler of Yewa land, His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Michael Dusonu, and the Olu Omo of Yewa land, Alhaji Chief Ibrahim Dende Egungun, the Baba Oba of Odan. They were there for me every step of the way, all of the way when it was difficult to become king. But because of their wise counsel and comforting actions, I was able to weather the storm. The chronicles of Odan past will be written about you with a golden pen. Forever and ever, you will be my fathers and guide. Trust me when I say this town will always hold a special place in its heart for you. God will continue to shower His favor on you. Furthermore, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the elders of Odan for the great work they have been doing to promote peace in our dear community. Even before my elevation to the throne, I feel compelled to point out that the elders are the backbone of every society. When an elder dies, an entire library is born, as said once stated. Therefore, I want to advise that all our seniors learn from the ways in which our ancestors lived in peace, love, and harmony without selfishness, and how they themselves grew and died in the same love.